Yeah, we'll be taking you down to Subang Jaya right now. Yeah, we're running into this beautiful, huge shop in the giant mega mall in Subang, USJ. Home in abroad. Home in abroad, like the name implies, this is home here in abroad, Malaysia, where we live. Whatever you're thinking of, whatever you want to buy, your food item, your clothes, they have Ankara. They have anything you're thinking of, you need, you're missing from Nigeria, they have it here. From
It's still B on the beat.
Money, faster music.
Baby, please give it. I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. Your lover. Baby, please give it. Oh, I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. Your lover. Tell me what you want. Oh, 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 hey. I just wanna know your need. Cause the way you dey touch the body, I like the way you dey do the body. Make me want to the gummy body, gummy body. Ha, okay. Oh yeah, Limpopo. Baby, make me go Limpopo. Oh yeah, Limpopo. Baby, make me go Limpopo. Oh, she go Limpopo. So make me go Limpopo. Oh yeah, tonight. Oh tonight. Baby, please give it. I'm going crazy. Your maga, I want to be your maga. Your lover. Baby, please give it. I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. I said, your lover. There is something about this your body where they make me the jolly. When I see you, my baby, hey, I just like to happy. Oh, 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 my baby. You they sweet me, oh, oh, oh.
Home in abroad is the place you really want to visit. Yeah, go grab whatever you want there at the very affordable prices. They have the palm oil straight from Nigeria. Yeah, that is there for that. Home in abroad, the address is what you see on the screen, so go check it out. It's there in Subang, the new giant mega mall.